Hey guys, Greg for FactionFab. Now let's talk about one of the most annoying parts of owning an F-150, the outrageously long and flimsy stock antenna. Are you guys sick of things like this? And it is seriously such a huge eyesore when looking at the front of the truck. It's time to come to the 21st century with a sleek, low profile, and detail-oriented short antenna. Here at FactionFab, we care about the longevity of our parts, and our quality materials are here to show it. Starting with 6061 T6 billet aluminum, they are machined down to a slim profile, each different model being designed to be a perfect match to the vehicle trim. The antenna is drilled and tapped to accept an included threaded stud that is a direct fit. Then, the lower mounting face is counterbored to hold an O-ring to seal off those threads to prevent dirt and rust. The aluminum is then anodized in a classy black finish with a subtle laser engraved logo. Now, the install is one of the easiest things you can do on your truck, only requiring a single 3/8 inch or 10mm wrench to remove the stock antenna. Then thread the stud and slip the O-ring into place. And simply tighten the FactionFab antenna by hand. Some people might want some extra security by adding a blue Loctite to the upper half antenna side of the threads, but it is not required. If you choose to do this, we highly recommend some caution to prevent any Loctite getting onto the truck side of the threads, as this will make the stud removal difficult without damaging the threads. Now that's all for this quick and easy mod. Make sure to reach out to us if you have any questions. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to see more videos about our products. And we'll see you next time.